how to deal with problems and challenges while using an accounting system. Managing an accounting system effectively requires addressing various challenges and problems that can arise. Here's a detailed guide on how to deal with these issues, explained in simple terms to make it easy for beginners and non-accountants to understand. 1. Ensuring data accuracy and integrity. Problem: inaccurate data can lead to incorrect financial statements and poor decision-making. Solution: regular audits. Conduct regular audits and reconciliations to ensure the accuracy of your financial data. Double entry system. Use a double entry bookkeeping system where every transaction is recorded in 2 accounts, which helps in cross-verifying data. Automated tools. Use automated data entry tools and validation checks to minimize human errors. Training. Train staff on proper data entry procedures and the importance of data accuracy. 2. Managing complexity and usability. Problem: accounting systems can be complex and difficult to use for individuals without a strong accounting background. Solution: user-friendly software. Choose accounting software with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Training programs. Provide comprehensive training programs for users to familiarize them with the system. User manuals. Develop clear and concise user manuals and guides. Ongoing support. Ensure that users have access to ongoing support and resources to help them navigate the system. 3. Integrating with other systems. Problem: integrating the accounting system with other business systems can be challenging. Solution: API integration. Choose accounting software that supports API integration, which allows different systems to communicate with each other. Professional assistance. Consider hiring IT professionals or consultants to assist with integration. Standardized data formats. Use standardized data formats to ensure compatibility between systems. Regular testing. Regularly test the integration to ensure data is accurately transferred and synchronized. 4. Managing costs and budget constraints. Problem: implementing an accounting system can be expensive. Solution: budget planning. Create a detailed budget plan that includes all costs related to the accounting system, such as software, implementation, training, and maintenance. Affordable options. Look for affordable or free accounting software options that still meet your business needs. Phased implementation. Implement the system in phases to spread out costs over time. Evaluate ROI. Regularly evaluate the return on investment, ROI, of the accounting system to ensure it provides value for the money spent. 5. Ensuring security and data protection. Problem: protecting financial data from unauthorized access and cyber attacks is crucial. Solution: strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for all user accounts and change them regularly. Access controls. Implement access controls to ensure only authorized personnel can access sensitive data. Encryption. Use encryption to protect data both in transit and at rest. Regular backups. Perform regular data backups to protect against data loss. Security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify and address vulnerabilities. 6. Complying with regulatory requirements. Problem: keeping the accounting system updated with the latest regulatory changes can be challenging. Solution: stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest regulatory changes and requirements. Compliance software. Use accounting software that is regularly updated to comply with the latest regulations. Professional advice. Seek advice from accounting professionals or legal experts to ensure compliance. Internal policies. Develop and implement internal policies and procedures to ensure compliance with regulations. 7. Ensuring scalability and flexibility. Problem: as businesses grow, their accounting needs become more complex. Solution: scalable software. Choose accounting software that is scalable and can grow with your business. Modular approach. Use a modular approach where you can add or remove features as needed. Regular reviews. Regularly review your accounting system to ensure it meets your current and future needs. Flexible plans. Opt for software that offers flexible plans and pricing options. 8. Providing user training and support. Problem: without proper training, users may struggle to utilize the system fully. Solution: comprehensive training. Provide comprehensive training sessions for all users. Online resources. Develop online resources such as video tutorials, FAQs, and step-by-step guides. Help desk. Set up a help desk or support team to assist users with any issues they encounter. Regular updates. Keep users informed about any updates or changes to the system. 9. Managing customization and configuration. Problem: customizing the accounting system to meet unique business needs can be challenging. Solution: needs assessment. Conduct a thorough assessment of your business needs before customizing the system. Professional services. Consider hiring professional services for complex customizations. Standardization. Use standardized processes and configurations where possible to reduce complexity. Documentation. Document all customizations and configurations for future reference and maintenance. 10. Handling data migration. Problem: migrating data from an old system to a new accounting system can be complex and risky. Solution: planning. Plan the data migration process carefully, including a timeline and resource allocation. Data cleansing. Cleanse data before migration to remove duplicates and correct errors. Testing. Conduct thorough testing of the migration process to ensure data accuracy. Backup. Create a complete backup of all data before starting the migration process. Professional assistance. Consider hiring professionals or consultants with experience in data migration. 11. Performing system updates and maintenance. Problem: keeping the accounting system updated and maintained can cause downtime and disrupt operations. Solution: scheduled updates. Schedule updates and maintenance during non-business hours to minimize disruption. Automatic updates. Use accounting software that offers automatic updates to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Regular maintenance. Perform regular system maintenance to keep the software running smoothly. Backup and recovery. Implement a backup and recovery plan to protect against data loss during updates. Conclusion: dealing with problems and challenges in an accounting system involves a combination of planning, training, security measures, and regular maintenance. By ensuring data accuracy, managing complexity, integrating systems, controlling costs, protecting data, complying with regulations, scaling the system, providing training and support, handling customizations, managing data migration, and performing updates, businesses can effectively address these challenges. Implementing these strategies helps maintain a robust and efficient accounting system that supports accurate financial management and informed decision-making.